Hello everyone, today's question is from the sulfate and sulfide. So we have number of pi bonds in sulfate ion is X, number of lone pairs on bonded atom in sulfite ion is Y. Difference between X and Y is. So here what we have given, here the sulfate is SO4 2 negative, sulfite is your SO3 2 negative. The central metal, that is sulfur, in both the compound belongs to 16 group whose outermost electronic configuration is NS2Np. So this is the outermost electronic configuration. It means maximum it can form the 6 bond because it has total valence electron is 6 valence electron are present. So let us look at the structure. We have, this is sulfur, 6 valence electron, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 4 oxygen. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the negative charge over here. This is how the structures. Number of pi bond we have to calculate. This particular bond sigma, this single bond is known as the sigma bond, and this particular double bond, this is known as the pi bond. This is also your pi bond. Now how many pi bonds? 2 pi bonds, which is equal to X, which is given in the question. Then we have sulfite. This is your sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 1 double bond, 2, this is 3, and 1 negative charge, and this has 1 lone pair. Question is asking about lone pair on bonded atom. So this oxygen, these 3 are the bonded atoms. So let us look at this. Oxygen also belongs to 16 group. It means maximum it can bond the 6 bonds. Like that sulfur, it is a part of sulfur family group, right? So here, this is oxygen. So here 2 electrons are already involved over here in the bond with the sulfur. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have this oxygen. 1 is already here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 is 6. Here this negative charge here refers to that it has gained 1 electron. So 1 gain electron is here also. This same condition is with this oxygen also. So we have 3 lone pairs present over here. Here also we have 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. So y equals to 8. So difference between X and Y comes out to be 6. So the correct option over here is D will be the right answer. Thank you. Hope the solution fine understandable for you.